Let's get you the latest when it comes also to more news coming in from J&K. And it's the National Conference Chief, Farooq Abdullah, who's welcomed the celebration of both the Kheer Bhavani Mela and the Urus, calling it a symbol of harmony in Kashmir. He stressed the importance of unity for national progress. Abdullah has also appealed to the devotees to visit the Vaishno Devi shrine in Katra, expressing concerns over the drop in pilgrims following the recent terror attack in Pahalgam.
Mela Kheer Bhavani is one of the most auspicious occasions for Kashmiri Pandits, and today hundreds of Kashmiri Pandits have gathered here despite weather advisory and the security concerns after recent Pahalgam terror attack. And we could see, though the number of people who come here is not as great as it used to be in the previous years, yet you can see the whole space here is completely filled with the devotees. People from different parts of the country, particularly Kashmiri Pandits, have come who have been living their life in migrant camps, be it Jammu or in Delhi, or now living in Delhi. And this temple, which is located in the middle of this water body spring, it has a huge significance. And the color of water is seen as very significant. Kashmiri Pandits believe that the color of this water actually indicates or foretells the future. God forbid, if it is black turns black, then it is seen as a bad omen. And this time it is really white, and if you see good color and normal, you will see always people pouring water and kheer into this spring. 64, according to Home Ministry data, 64,000 Kashmiri families are living outside Kashmir. 43,000 of them in Jammu, 19,000 in families in Delhi. But this is the occasion when they meet together. It is a sort of, this day is a sort of reunion for the Kashmiri Pandits.
मिसाल होती है भाईचारे की, हिंदू मुस्लिम की, ये कई मिसाल आपको देखोगे नहीं जहाँ पे ये होता है। यहाँ पे जब
आप मुसलमान हैं लेकिन इस मेले में आते
हैं, बिल्कुल जो भी यहाँ पे इनका काम हो रहा है वो मुसलमान ही कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट ठेके वो मुसलमान ही ले रहे, जो इनका प्रसाद चाहे वो भी मुसलमान ही बेच रहे हैं। सारे यहाँ पे एम्प्लॉय धर्मात्मा ट्रस्ट में वो भी मुस्लिम है।
Look at this. This is the harmony. This is the harmony. This is actually what this Kheer Bhavani Mela is about. Reunion of sorts. He is Muslim and he is Kashmiri Pandit. तो क्या आज का मिलने का खास मौका है ये?
देखो, ये तो हमारी आस्था है, आस्था का केंद्र है। और मेरे एमएलए, मेरी जान, मेरी शान इशफाक जवाब साहब।
अच्छा, ये मुझे बताओ कि जब आप मिलते हैं ना, मतलब सभी कश्मीरी यहाँ मुझे बता रहे थे, जो प्रसाद जो कुछ भी है कश्मीरी मुसलमान ही लाते हैं।
बिल्कुल, ये तो एक परंपरा है। ये 500 साल पहले की एक इतिहास है, हिस्ट्री है। इसको कहने के लिए हमसे क्यों बुलवा रहे हो? कश्मीरी मुस्लिम और कश्मीरी पंडित को आज तक कोई भी ऐसी ताकत, ऐसे दुश्मन लोग जो हमारे दुश्मन लोग या जो अपनी रोटियां सीखते हैं, कश्मीरी पंडित आज भी एक है और कश्मीरी मुस्लिम आज भी एक है। ब्लड बेश खून एक है, लेकिन जात पात को छोड़कर यहाँ की मेहमान नवाजी और कश्मीरी।
There has been lot of politics over Pandit and Muslim conflict, but he is saying here we are one. And that is this Mela is all about. That is the significance of this Mela. It's not only a journey of faith, it's not only an occasion when you go and pray here, it's also which is reuniting people from different faiths, Muslims and Kashmiri Pandits here at this Kheer Bhavani Mela at Tulmula in Gandharbal district.